Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel Clear Voice English. Are you planning a trip abroad soon? Feeling a bit nervous about navigating the airport in English? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're going to walk through every step of the airport process, from check-in to boarding, so you can travel with confidence. Ready? Let's get started. The first stop is the check-in counter. When you approach the desk, the airline staff will greet you. They might say,
"Hello, where are you flying to today?"
You can respond with,
"Hello, I'm flying to London."
Then they'll ask for your documents. The key phrase here is,
"May I have your passport and booking confirmation, please?"
just hand them over and say,
"Here you are."
"Next up, your bags." The agent will ask,
"How many bags are you checking in?"
if you have one suitcase, you can say, "Just this one." If you have more, say, "I have 2 bags to check in." They'll also ask if you have any carry-on luggage. You can point to your backpack and say, "Yes, just this backpack is my carry-on." Make sure your checked baggage isn't overweight. They'll place it on the scale and give you a baggage claim sticker. Keep this safe. After checking in, it's time for the security check. You'll need to place your carry-on luggage, electronic devices like laptops and phones, and any liquids in separate trays. The security officer might say, "Please take off your shoes, belts, and jackets." Just follow the instructions. As you walk through the metal detector, stay calm. If it beeps, don't panic. An officer will just do a quick, additional scan. Politeness is key here. A simple thank you goes a long way. Once you're through security, you can relax a bit. Check your boarding pass for your gate number and boarding time. You might have some time to explore the duty-free shops or grab a coffee. Listen for announcements like, "Final boarding call for flight BA249 to London." When it's time to board, head to your gate. The gate agent will ask to see your boarding pass and passport one last time. They'll say,
"May I see your boarding pass and passport, please?"
As you get on the plane, a flight attendant will greet you with a welcome aboard. You can find your seat by looking at the numbers above the overhead bins. If you need help, you can ask a flight attendant, "Excuse me, could you help me find my seat?" Let's quickly review some useful vocabulary. Check-in counter is where you get your boarding pass. Baggage or luggage refers to your bags. Carry-on is the bag you take on the plane. Boarding pass is your ticket to get on the flight. Gate is the door you go through to get to the aircraft. And boarding time is when you need to be at the gate. A quick tip on seat preferences. When you book your flight or a check-in, you can request a specific seat. Do you prefer an aisle seat so you can get up easily, a window seat for the views, or maybe an exit row seat for extra legroom? Just ask politely, "Could I have a window seat, please?" And that's it. You've successfully navigated the airport in English. It's all about knowing the key phrases and staying calm. Practice these sentences, and you'll feel much more prepared for your next adventure. Traveling should be exciting, not stressful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning tips. Let me know in the comments where you're traveling to next. Safe travels and see you in the next video. Now recap. All those signs, announcements, and questions can be overwhelming, especially in English. But don't worry, because today we're going to turn that airport anxiety into airport confidence. Let's master the essential English you need from the moment you arrive until you're safely on your plane. First up, you arrive at the airport and head to the check-in counter. You'll hear,
"Can I see your passport and booking confirmation, please?"
and they'll ask,
"How many bags are you checking in?"
If you have a large suitcase, you'll say, "I have 1 bag to check in." If you only have a small bag to take on the plane, you can say, "I only have a carry-on." They might also ask,
"Do you have a window or an aisle seat preference?"
A simple "aisle seat please" or "window seat please" is perfect. After you check in, you get your boarding pass. This little piece of paper is your golden ticket. It shows your flight number, your gate number, and the boarding time. That's the time you need to be at the gate to get on the plane. Next stop, security screening. An officer might ask you to take your laptop and any liquids out of your bag and place all electronic devices in a separate bin. Just follow the instructions and you'll be through in no time. Once you're past security, you're in the departure lounge. This is where you can relax, grab a coffee, or do some duty-free shopping. Keep an eye on the departure boards. These big screens show if your flight is on time, delayed, or boarding. When you see Go to Gate or Boarding next to your flight, it's time to head to your gate. At the gate, they will announce when it's time to board the plane, usually by group or row number. Just show your boarding pass and passport one last time and walk down the jet bridge. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the airport in English. It's all about knowing these key phrases. Practice them a few times, and your next trip will be a total breeze. What other travel situations would you like to learn about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Clear Voice English for more useful English lessons. Happy travels!